It gets hard, never faded. Who gets what they say? It's likely they're just jealous and jaded. Well, maybe I don't wanna take advice from fools. I'll just figure everything is cool until I hear it from you. Until I hear it from you. I can't let it get me up. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. It all keeps adding up. I think I'm cracking up. In my chest paranoid. I heard it all before. So I got my door. I'm a loser and the user, so it's all the accuser. Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Regrets and still frames in your mind, hanging on a shelf in good health and good time. Tattoos and memories and dead skin on trial. For what it's worth, it was worth all the while. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. Chasing after falling
Par!
I'll take your invitation. You take out of me now, follow me more. Only thing I know, running across where to go, and I don't know what I'm diving into the world that can change my mind. There was nothing there. There was nothing there. And I don't know. Just taking memory with you.
Ah? Oo, maiksi na. Yeah. Sige na, River. Marikina, I love Marikina.
Thinking about you is almost breaking my heart. I don't know where I went wrong or what's going on. Baby, I feel like our love's lost tonight. Should let go. Well, I really don't know. Lately, I've been missing you so. Baby, you don't understand. Our love is lost, but you're still holding my hand. Oh, and then you walk away just tonight. I want you to stay. You're turning me on. You turn me down. You turn my whole world upside down. You're turning where I should start, but with all of my heart, baby, let me be your lover tonight. Baby, you don't understand. Our love lies lost, but you're still holding my hand. Ang pinakamatandang member ng parokya, wala kami mahanap na ibang gitarista, kaya inuhan namin siya kanila sa lista. Ang parokya, kahit na hindi magaling, kami ang batang hindi nila kaya patayin. Tumatanda na, pero nandito pa rin, at habang buhay kami mag-aasik ng lagim. Yan ang parokya, kahit na hindi magaling, kami ang batang hindi nila kaya patayin. Tumatanda na, pero nandito pa rin, at habang buhay kami mag-aasik ng lagim.
Si Black Knight, batang pinamo ng Rizal. Si Pagyaganong upawis na may kasamang kasal. Di pwedeng mainit kahit na nangyari. Sa mga binuo namin wala akong masabi. Kasama mo pati ba? Si Buibing, si Darius at si Dinding Molano. Hindi na ako nakatulog na mahimbing. Palaging atati, padinig sa lahat. Kung saan nagmula ang tulong nagugat. Dito sa kanta pwede ang kahit anong pamagat. Dahil susunod na sa'kin ang anak ng alamat.
Magbabaksakan dito in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Ito, tama na. Ito ako rin ah.
It ain't a Uzi or 8 grams, chickens on the maximum. Not a 45 or a 44 Magnum, and it ain't even a 357. More close things from the mass, so listen on. Dito na si Kiko at kasama ko si Kiko ang Black Knight. And it's time to rock right. Hindi ko mapigilan yung mga sa mga salita sa akin bigay. Kasi pa dadaig ang bunganga, halatong bunganga. Lahat na papahanga sa talento, okay taga-kalento. Ang batang Mandaluyong na ngayon nakatira sa Antipolo. Sumasaklolo sa mga hip-hop. Pwede ka rin ino, pwede rin trip-rock. Trip-rock kasama ng parokya. Para mo tagaan ang kailangan di mabokya. Di mo na kailangan pa malaman kung bakit pa. Kami lahat ay nagsama-sama.
Sir!